First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To analyze videos, start by preparing the video you want Gemini to examine. Make sure the video is in a supported format and that you have the necessary rights to process it. Next, upload the video using the available File Upload option in Google AI Studio. Once the video is uploaded, add it to your prompt and clearly explain what you want Gemini to analyze. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize the video, identify important events, describe what happens in different sections, analyze specific scenes, or answer questions about the video. For a more detailed result, give Gemini a clear task. Instead of simply asking for a summary, you could ask it to identify the main events in chronological order, describe the important actions, and provide the key points from the video. Now submit your prompt and wait for Gemini to process the video. Once the response is generated, review the information and compare important details with the original video. You can also ask follow-up questions about specific moments. For example, you can ask what happened near a particular point in the video, identify objects or actions in a scene, or explain the sequence of events. If the video contains spoken dialogue, presentations, demonstrations, or other important information, you can ask Gemini to summarize or organize that content. For longer videos, break your analysis into specific tasks when necessary. This can make the results easier to review and can help you focus on the parts of the video that matter most. If you need structured information,